Teeth grinding, also known as Bruxism, can cause worn-down enamel, flattened teeth, and even trigger long-term tooth sensitivity. It's like subjecting your teeth to constant pressure. How can we protect our teeth? Introducing a night guard. It is a comfortable appliance that we can wear at night to protect our teeth from grinding. At DDC, we take great pride in being a cutting-edge dental clinic equipped with the latest lab technology to offer you the best possible treatment. Dr. Hussein and his team believe that preventive care is key to maintaining a beautiful and healthy smile, and we are here to support you in achieving your dental goals.